Hey y'all, what's up? And welcome back to my crafting diary. So as you guys know, I am still getting ready for the Princess and the Frog birthday party. Um, I printed out my images. I've done my centerpieces. I have probably three more to go? No, four more. So that's that. And then I also received some stuff from Amazon that I've been waiting for. I got some balloons, some purple balloons, some fake vine, some lily pads. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, these are so cute. Let's see. Oh, yeah, they're foam. Oh, cute. I'll just have to take this part off. Yeah, to make it sit. Oh, it's so cute though. Alright, got those. Then I got some gold balloons. I'm waiting for the rest of the stuff to get here too. This is the backdrop. And then I got this bubble machine, this frog bubble machine. So that's going to be super cute. Like I said, I'm waiting for the rest of my stuff to get here for the rest of the decorations. And then you can finally all see it come together. I'm excited. I haven't done a birthday party in a long time. I haven't even been promoting birthday parties. But this is going to put me back on. So yeah, that's my order from Amazon that came in today.